just talk to you on Facebook. You can probably voice chat on there. All right. Stranger Things. We want this auto right here. This auto. 11. Millie Bobby Brown. Yeah, Brad, you get to pick right after this one. So you're guaranteed an auto or a sketch, and then you get something else, and then there's parallels. I haven't watched all of this, so it's an interesting show. You want 11 autos? You want Millie Bobby Brown, or you want the guy who plays Hopper, Frank? And then, obviously, you want nicer sketches. But they're $72 boxes, so I'm giving them away. It's a Netflix show. And you're going to get a sketch. I mean, the Gate autos are going for some money. It's a Netflix show. It's really, really popular with kids. It's really, really popular with, I don't know. Popular. It's like Rick and Morty. It's popular with people. You don't have to understand it to make some money on it, Frank. Alright, good luck, man. You're gonna get a sketch, I think. Sticker. Let's see if there's an upside down or a waffle parallel. Another sticker. Gaten. Wait, what? What's going on? Craig, you guys are getting blown out by 41? You're getting a waffle parallel. Yep. Waffles. 4 of 11. Boom. Frank has zero idea what the waffles is about. What's up, M. Gibbs? Mirkwood. Waffle parallel. 4 of 11. Yeah, this is the person you want. Millie sticker. $11 in her. It goes. And Benny's Burgers, not numbered. Connie Fraser. And waffles. Card to 11. Card to 11 is always really good. So your sketch is right here, Frank. I'll show that at the end. Demi-Gorgon. It's 211. The patches are just the patches, Frank. They're not anything crazy good. I'm sure someone's trying to put together the whole waffle set of this. So, I'm sure those cards will carry more than a premium. Alright, sketch is going to be Hopper. S. Muhammad. Nice sketch. Been some nice sketches in this case so far. There you go, Frank and Dustin. You did well. You did well, sir. And I get to ship to you. Yay! I haven't shipped to you in a while. Alright. Halverson, you still there? Yeah, that was a good discussion.